guys, I just picked up my new GoPro Hero Max, which is right here. And I'm using the Hero 8 to film the Hero Max.
Everyone back over.
Holy shit. You can see it looks pretty nifty. Unfortunately, I forgot that they don't give you an SD card with it. So I'm gonna take the SD card out of here and put it in here. And I'm gonna charge this thing and use it for the way home. All right, guys, I'm doing a slow pan of the GoPro right now. As you can see, I've been wanting one of these for a while now, and it has 2 lenses, and you can shoot 360 degrees, and it's pretty nifty. So I'm gonna edit and then have a ride video. This video is me coming home. I just passed a cop, and then I'm just playing around with the new editing software, getting used to it. And you can see me kind of pan out to kind of give that fisheye effect. And then right when I get to the end of the stop sign, I spin it around back onto me and do the same effect. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.